Automation allows manufacturing to evolve, but high upfront costs, complexity, and demand uncertainty thwart implementation. Not anymore. Benchmark's flexible automation makes automating limited volume, high-quality production possible, creating precision, repeatability, and cost savings with advanced and tailored solutions, globally available in-house automation engineers, and configurable and scalable setups, allowing you to implement automation where previously not possible. Tune processes to improve quality and yields, and scale on your timeline. At Benchmark, we embrace flexibility to create powerful agility, giving you the confidence to quickly deploy automation optimized for your design, respond to rapid demand shifts, overcome regional labor shortages and skill gaps, and proactively respond to new technologies, market disruptions, and competition. Modernize your manufacturing, satisfy demand, and preempt disruption. Flexible automation with Benchmark. When it matters.